Jenna bought a pair of sneakers for $160 using Afterpay, for payments of $40 each spread over 6 weeks. No interest, no credit check, no pain. She made the first payment automatically when she checked out. The shoes arrived 3 days later. She wore them that weekend. The second payment hit 2 weeks later and she barely noticed. The third payment came out on schedule. Then she missed the fourth payment because she forgot to transfer money into her checking account. Her balance was $12 short. Afterpay charged her a $10 late fee. She paid the final $40 plus the late fee the next day. This brought her total to $170 for shoes that cost $160. That late fee was a 6.25% penalty on the final payment. It annualizes to over 300% if you think of it as interest on a 2-week loan, but she does not think of it that way. She thinks she got sneakers for $40 and then had a small oops moment that cost her $10. What she does not connect is that she has used Buy Now Pay Later 14 times in the last 8 months. She has paid $67 in late fees across those purchases. She has spent $2,300 on things she would not have bought otherwise. My name is Bobby, and I spent way too much time thinking about why Buy Now Pay Later services are the fastest growing financial trap. If you use Klarna, Afterpay, or Affirm, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. BPL services exploit your brain's inability to feel future pain and trick you into spending more than you can afford. Here is the belief that is destroying your spending discipline. Buy Now Pay Later is not debt because there is no interest. That is technically true and functionally a lie. A 2023 study found that 43% of users missed at least one payment. When you see a $160 price tag, your brain registers pain, but for payments of $40 only registers $40 of pain. Researchers call this payment decoupling. The separation of consumption from payment reduces the pain and increases spending. Jenna has 14 active accounts. She's playing financial whack-a-mole where payments come out of her account on random dates. First, stop using it entirely for 30 days. Delete the apps. Force yourself to pay full price at checkout for 1 month. Second, limit yourself to one active purchase at a time. Do not start a second plan until the first is paid off. Third, set up automatic payments from a dedicated checking account. This eliminates the risk of insufficient funds causing late fees. You are financing a lifestyle you cannot afford for payments at a time. The system is designed to make sure you never notice. The trap is invisible until you add up what it cost you. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.